Hello and welcome back to 10 quick tips to help you get the most out of ChatGPT. Our next tip is regarding spelling errors, grammar, typos, punctuation errors. You can put errors in ChatGPT, and most of the time it will figure out what you're saying and it will still answer you. If I click here on this prompt that I already input into the system, I asked it, what effect does catnip have on cats? Now, I purposely misspelled effect. That should be effect with an E, but it recognized it. And when it answered me with the correct word. So you can put errors, you can misspell things, and it will pick up on those things. There's probably a limit to how much poor punctuation you could put in if you have run on sentences and don't indicate where one sentence starts and another begins. But as far as simple errors that you might make, if you're worried about everything being perfect, if you make an error, it usually can figure it out and still answer you correctly. One tip related to this is that it's pretty good at also proofreading, but you'll want to make sure you double check that because it's not perfect at proofreading. If you'd like to see more of our content in the future, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to receive notifications. If you need a little extra help learning about ChatGPT and how to leverage it for your marketing, visit technologytherapy.com to partner up with a mentor who can walk you through step by step.